Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this little healing stone necklace, and I'll see if I can figure out how to open the paper on it. I'm gonna need some scissors for this one. And I'll show you guys what we get in here. I just opened it up, and it comes with this little pouch here. So we'll open up the pouch, and inside's a Ziploc bag. Got to keep opening stuff. We opened a bag, we opened a pouch, we opened a Ziploc bag, and here we go. This is it here. So it's a nice little translucent kind of a stone. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it's going to zoom in correctly. There. You can see it looks really nice, and it's in this like rope kind of thing. And then it's got this necklace that is adjustable. It's one of those like you can cinch up on both sides, so you have to pull them both sides simultaneously to do it. You can put it on. And if I liked it down this low, I could keep it low, or I could pull the knot sides and make it smaller. Make it right at my microphone level. So that's probably about the level I would kind of keep it at. But so if you need a healing stone, and you could have like matching ones because it comes with, well, I got two. So, oh, this one here's open on the side. And it looks like it's going to be the same. So me and whoever